The house system is an integral part of our commitment to the social and emotional growth of the students at O'Dea. At the beginning of their freshman year, students are sorted into one of 4 houses, named after important places in the life story of Blessed Edmund Rice. Students stay with their mentor group all 4 years, which allows them to develop close relationships with both their peers and their mentor teacher through games, activities, house games, conversations, and just plain hanging out with each other. Mentor Group is the foundation of our house system because it helps us to ensure that every student feels that he's valued and appreciated for the gifts and talents that he brings to our community. Students belong from the moment they first arrive on this campus. My favorite time of day is visiting all of the mentor groups in my house. Often the guys are debating what sports players are doing the best this season, or they're playing games like Connect 4 or chess, or simply strategizing about how they're going to win the next house games. It really is wonderful to see the genuine friendships that exist within these mentor group communities.
While Mentor Group is the heart of the house system is part of everything we do at O'Dea. Students compete with other members of their house for the House Cup, which is awarded at the end of the school year. While the competitive nature of the boys helps to drive some of the enthusiasm toward this goal, it is also a great chance to highlight and to bring to the forefront the amazing talents and character of our students. One of my favorite things about O'Dea is watching students come together for something bigger than themselves. Whether it's a house games final, or a chess tournament, or a Saturday service project, the house system is all about helping students connect with one another and their community. And hearing about some of our recent graduates in college who have taken on leadership positions on their campuses, it is obvious to me that those students have taken the confidence and the skills they learned here and been able to use those in their life beyond O'Dea.
The house system is one of the most unique pieces of the O'Dea experience. We are only one of a handful of schools in the entire country that have a system like this in place. I'm very grateful that I have the opportunity to serve my school as the school captain, which is the student leader of the house system. My job as the school captain is to help build the brotherhood and the strong bonds that really are at the center of O'Dea. I've been a leader in my house, which is Waterford, since my freshman year. I really appreciate the opportunity to serve my brothers and also to serve my house. I'm honored to have been chosen for the role of school captain for my senior year, and I just want to make sure that my O'Dea Brothers experience is the best possible. And at the core of the house system, that's really what it's all about. To involve students in activities that they enjoy, to find the perfect fit for all students of the O'Dea experience, and to build and create relationships and bonds that will last a lifetime.